it's just 10 days for your boards, and as I have promised to you that I'll bring the strategy video for all the subjects. So here are the videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Arvind. So in this video, as I've promised to you, that I will share strategy for all the subjects for your commerce, arts. So this video is basically for economics. I am not the one who has scored good amount of marks in economics, so I have one of my friends who has scored 98 in economics, and she'll tell you everything about her strategy, her tips and tricks. So let's introduce her to this video. We have Khushi with us. She is my friend, so let's call her Khushi. So introduce
Hey guys,
yourself.
myself Khushi, first year student doing economics honors from Hindu College. As Arvind said that I have scored 98 marks in boards. So in this video I will be guiding you how to prepare yourself in the last 15 days for scoring decent marks.
So guys, this video is in the form of interview. So हम इसका इंटरव्यू लेंगे एंड इससे पूछेंगे इसने क्या क्या स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाई और इन 15 days में what you can do to boost your score, and also क्या क्या जो tips and tricks है जो इसने follow की थी that she could have made 98 in like economics. So let's ask her first her CUET score and her board's economics score. So Khushi, what was your CUET score in economics and overall, and also in boards, what was your score?
So guys, in CUET my score was 194 out of 200, and in boards my score is 98 out of 100, and overall I have scored 96% in boards. Guys, my score is 745 out of 800 in CUET.
So guys, before moving further ahead into the video, I want to talk to you something really important. That कि जब क्लास 12th की जब शुरुआत होती है तो हम CUET के बारे में नहीं सोचते हैं, जब एंड आता है तो हम उसके बारे में बहुत ही कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं एंड वी थिंक अबाउट कि भी अब कैसे करें बोर्ड्स और CUET को मैनेज. सो अगर तुम थोड़ा सा पहले स्टार्ट कर दोगे ना तो यू विल हैव एन एक्स्ट्रा एज इन द CUET प्रिपरेशन एज वेल, क्योंकि वो MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर आएगा तुम्हारा. सो आई वुड से अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है इस टाइम पे तो क्या करें क्या ना करें, सो PW लेके आया है एक ऐसा बैच जिसमें आप 12th की प्रिपरेशन के साथ साथ अपने CUET बोर्ड्स की प्रिपरेशन को भी बूस्ट कर सकते हो. तो गाइस बेसिकली दे हैव टू बैचेस, कॉमर्स बोर्ड्स बूस्टर 2025 एंड प्रवेश CUET कॉमर्स 2.0 2025. सो इस बैच की कमाल बात ये है कि इसमें ये CUET के साथ साथ बोर्ड्स प्रिपरेशन भी कराते हैं. एंड एट दिस मोमेंट अगर तुम्हारी जो है बोर्ड्स की प्रिपरेशन एट पॉइंट है एंड यू आर डन विद इट, सो यू कैन ओनली परचेज द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ दिस बैच विच इज प्रवेश CUET कॉमर्स 2.0 2025. इसमें सिर्फ तुम्हारे ये CUET पे फोकस कराएंगे एंड यू डोंट नीड टू फोकस ऑन बोर्ड्स, बिकॉज बोर्ड्स में आता है सिर्फ थ्योरी एंड MCQ मिक्स आता है एंड दे विल फोकस हियर ऑन MCQs पार्ट. तो इस बैच में आपको मिलेगा लाइव एंड रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर, DPPs, MCQs, 24/7 डाउट सॉल्विंग, मेंटरशिप एंड PDF नोट्स ऑफ ईच क्लास. सो देर किस बात की, यूज माई कूपन कोड ARV200 for an extra discount. So link is in the description. So let's get back to the video. So let's start with the interview and let's start with the question answer. I'll ask question answers that she'll answer in a Q&A form. So let's start with our first question. So Khushi, it's just 10 days for the boards, and how they should prepare in these days and what part they should focus on so that they can boost their score.
So guys, first of all I would recommend you that don't purchase books at last moment, because it would be a complete waste of time and money. Secondly, just try to make mind maps for each chapter so that you can revise the whole syllabus at last moment, because it will be really helpful for you. And for practicing PYQ, you can download self study guys app from Play Store so that your concepts would be clear.
So this is one of the app that she used in her 12th. Basically उसमें mock test और PYQs होते हैं which you can easily मतलब practice कर सकते हो उसमें से, and also वो free होता है I guess. Free होता है ना?
Yeah, it's free. And most importantly guys, don't take stress. Just chill and relax.
Yeah, this is the thing that I told in every single video, that you don't need to take stress. जैसा तुम कर रहे हो just keep going and just keep doing what you are doing up till now.
So guys, start making mind maps for each chapter. मतलब you can make charts for macro formulas, because at last moment सभी फॉर्मूले मिक्सअप हो जाते हैं. सो फॉर क्लैरिटी यू कैन मेक फॉर्मूलाज फॉर ईच चैप्टर.
बेसिकली माइंड मैप में तुम ये कर सकते हो कि भी एक पेज पे एक चैप्टर का माइंड मैप बनाने की कोशिश करो ताकि लास्ट मोमेंट रिवीजन में तुम्हें दिक्कत ना होए और तुम्हारा फटाफट जो है चीज़ें रिवाइज हो जाए.
ट्राई टू कवर वन चैप्टर इन जस्ट वन पेज. सो गाइज, अगर आपने अब तक अपना सिलेबस कवर नहीं किया है, सो जस्ट ट्राई टू कवर योर सिलेबस एज सून एज पॉसिबल. कवरिंग योर सिलेबस यू कैन वॉच वन शॉर्ट वीडियोज ऑफ सेवरल ट्यूटर्स लाइक रजत अरोड़ा, लव कौशिक सर. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू कवर योर सिलेबस.
जिनका सिलेबस कवर हो चुका है वो बेसिकली PYQs एंड जो सैम्पल पेपर्स है उन पे फोकस करें एंड माइंड मैप्स बनाएं. जिनका सिलेबस नहीं पूरा हुआ वो 1 शॉट वीडियोस बनाएं एंड फटाफट जो है उनको कवर अप करें. बिकॉज देर आर सम टाइम्स जो तुमने मान लो सिलेक्टेड चैप्टर में से जो तुमने कभी नहीं पढ़े वो पढ़ा है कुछ सिलेक्टेड चैप्टर में से, वो आ जाता है एग्जाम्स में और ओवरऑल तुम्हारी नॉलेज भी इंक्रीज ही होगी उससे. सो द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन विच आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क हर इज द प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन योर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. तुमने कितना भी अच्छा प्रिपेयर किया हो, तुमने कितना भी ज़्यादा सिलेबस कितनी भी बार रिवाइज किया हो, इफ यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग, if you are not presenting it well, you are not going to get good marks. So how she presented her exam sheet in board's exam and how she got such good marks by presenting skills and how she hacked the mind of the examiner. So let's ask her. So how did you prepare your exam sheet to impress the examiner?
So guys, first of all, draw side margins because your answer sheet should be neat and clean. Don't try to ramble too much. Underline key terms. Write as much short as possible because writing unnecessary would not be creating a good impact on the examiner. So just underline key terms. And next, try to attempt numerical questions step by step. So in case you made mistakes in calculation, then also you can get the marks of writing the formula. So try to attempt numerical questions step by step.
Don't need to exaggerate questions more and more. If you exaggerate question, you will end up losing your lot of time which you can spend on other questions.
And try to finish your exam before 10-15 minutes so that you can revise the whole question paper in that time.
Now you have got the basic understanding of how you can present your exam sheet, which I've already told in previous videos, but specifically for the economics, how you can prepare your answer sheet. The next question is खुशी, तुमने कितने साल के PYQ और सैम्पल पेपर किए थे to get this score?
Guys, try to cover 10-year PYQs, but just keep this thing in mind that you don't practice PYQ of deleted topics because it would be waste of time. So just cover those topics PYQ which are part of your syllabus.
So at this moment तुम्हें जो है जो deleted portion है उसके क्वेश्चन है उसके करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि this will only waste your time at this moment. In this moment you just need to do important things which are relevant for your exam. So now guys, we have come to the last part of this video. So I think this video will be quite helpful to you all. So now the last question is, what are the last minute tips that you would give to your juniors and what they should keep in mind before one night of exam so that they do not need to worry about the economics paper. So moving to her.
So guys, first of all, take sound sleep, eat healthy, and just don't touch new topic before one night of exam because it will create FOMO in your mind. You will get panic that you don't know anything, but just don't touch new topic before one night of exam. Just revise what you have done throughout the year. Revise your mind maps. Go through them.
Also one more tip. Don't discuss तुमने कितना किया अपने दोस्तों के साथ क्योंकि this will create a
FOMO in your mind.
FOMO in your mind that उसने ये कर लिया इतना कर लिया and basically एक दूसरे को तुम exaggerate ही करते हो जितना कि भी मैंने ये कर लिया तूने ये किया है और basically टॉपर से तो कोई बात ही नहीं करना. मैं कर रहा हूँ.
Focus on yourself. Just focus on what you have done throughout the year. Don't compare your journey from others.
So guys, this is the video. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more videos like this. And next video will be for BST and accounts. So अब जाके पढ़ लो. Bye bye.